Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about interpretation. So we can use about interpretation by substitution. So I will put about x equals to shin t square, because if I put this one gone here and here, shin t square plus 1, that is about cos t square. This one we cancel the square root, this one we cancel the square root. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. So I will put this one gone here and here. The x we change for this one. This one that is about cos t square. So this one we have shin t. This one we have cos t. And now we have the formula in here. So we have the formula that is about shin t equals to e to the power of t minus e to the power of negative t over number 2, and cos t that is about e to the power of t plus e to the power of negative t over number 2. So I will put this one gone here and this one gone here. This one that is about shin 2t. So we simplify and we got about e to the power of t. Now we have the second formula in here. So capital A that is about e, capital B that is about t, and this one that is about t, f and e, and that is about number 1. So we can use about interpretation by parts. So I will put about v equals to t. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. dr that is about this one. So the interpretation of this one that is about 1 over 2 cos 2t. So we have v multiplied by r. So we have t over number 2 cos 2t minus we have dv multiplied by r. So we have 1 over 2, and we have the interpretation cos 2t dt. And now the interpretation of this one that is about 1 over 2 shin 2t, and I will put about c. So number 2 and number 2 we have number 4. About t that is about this one. So we put the square root for the both sides, and we have the square root of x equals to shin t, and we have t equal to arc shin of the square root of x. So I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.